In today's workout, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an assisted barbell squat. So when doing this exercise, the first thing you need is obviously an assisted box, a barbell, and a barbell rack, plus your safety clips when performing the exercise. Now, this exercise activates the quads, hamstring, and glutes. And the whole purpose of doing an assisted barbell squat because it helps with your form, and also if you're trying to move up in weight and keep that form nice and tight and really strong, this is also going to help you as well. So it's a great exercise for beginners and also for experts as well. Now, when doing this exercise, what you want to do is go ahead, have your hand placements about shoulder distance apart, have your feet about shoulder distance apart as well. Now, when coming underneath the bar, you want the bar resting on your back, all right? Don't have the bar resting on your neck. Definitely put it on your back where the scapulas meet. Now, when coming back, what I usually do is I put my heels against the box, having my feet shoulder distance apart, keep the chest out, push the butt out, and then I go down and then come back up. As you can see, I'm holding the form. I'm not sitting down like this and rocking and then coming back up. Try not to rock because that puts a lot of pressure on your lower back. You want to keep a nice strong and straight back, pushing the butt out and perform the exercise. And as you see, when I'm going back up, I'm just letting my butt touch the box and then I'm coming right back up. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper into the squat to make you feel a little bit more comfortable, you can move out just a couple inches away from the box and then do the same motion. And as you see, my squat is a lot deeper. This is how you do an assisted barbell squat.